If your hair gets dry after a couple days of putting on a low manipulation style or any protective style, I want to let you know that oil alone is not going to fix that, because our scalp is skin and skin needs water, moisture, lubricant, and conditioning agents, and not just grease sitting on top of your skin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lightweight scalp moisturizer with only 3 ingredients. And it will help refresh dry, itchy scalp without ruining your hairstyle. I used to think putting on oil on my scalp was enough to prevent the dryness that I was feeling, until I realized that my scalp was still dry underneath. And honestly, a lot of us are moisturizing our scalp the wrong way. So today I'm showing you my 3 ingredient scalp moisturizer for low manipulation and any protective style. So to make this lightweight scalp moisturizer, you need a container with warm water inside. You can heat it up a little bit in the microwave, just as long as it is warm, just a little bit hot, it's fine. And then you take your favorite leave-in conditioner and you scoop some of it, just a little bit, your favorite conditioner, and you put it in. And you mix it in because you want it to dissolve. And that's why we want the water to be warm or hot if you want to. And then if you want, you can actually heat this up in the microwave also. I'm using a plastic fork to break up the leave-in conditioner. Make sure you mix it until it's properly dissolved. Okay, I think this is good. So it will look like milk, hair milk. And then the next thing I usually do is take oil like jojoba oil. Then I put a few drops of jojoba oil into it. And if you have aloe vera juice, you can add it too. If you have glycerin, you can also add it as well. The conditioner already has an emulsifier. So when you add your oil won't sit on top like it would if you just had water. So the emulsifier in your conditioner will actually help your oil to mix into this mixture so that it won't be sitting on the top. And you don't need a lot of oil, just a little bit. So like I said, you can put glycerin, you can put aloe vera juice. Those are great moisturizers. Aloe vera and glycerin are humectants, so they'll help keep your scalp moisturized. So after everything is dissolved, I will get a tiny spray bottle and I will pour my mixture in. I think I made a lot. I made a lot. And then I will use this on my hair. See? You can't see the oil because is mixed in with your favorite conditioner. So this is how to make your own lightweight scalp moisturizer. All you need is water, your favorite leave-in conditioner, and jojoba oil or any other oil of your choice. Now, after we have made our lightweight moisturizer, this is what we're gonna do. You're going to spray your scalp directly on your scalp. And you can do it on your hair too. So spray it on your scalp. It feels really good. Then you can massage. This feels so much better than just having oil on your scalp. You can spray it on your ends too. Really good. Keep those ends moisturized. And that's it. Your lightweight scalp moisturizer and also hairspray or hair milk for your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch my other videos. See you later. Bye.